Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best La Roche-Posay is probably one of the most sought-after skincare brands globally, renowned for its dermatologically tested formulas that cater to sensitive skin. If you're on the hunt for effective, gentle, and scientifically backed skincare solutions that can transform your complexion and address a myriad of concerns from acne to aging, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this French pharmacy staple a must-have in so many routines, exploring its hero ingredients and iconic products that have earned it a cult following among skincare enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel Cleanser. Tired of excess oil? This purifying foaming gel cleanser is designed specifically for oily skin. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your skin. Formulated with zinc pitolate, it helps to control shine and reduce the appearance of excess oil. Experience a refreshed and balanced complexion. This cleanser is alcohol-free and oil-free, making it gentle enough for daily use. It cleanses thoroughly while respecting your skin's natural balance. Dermatologist tested and suitable for sensitive skin. You can trust its efficacy and gentle formulation for your daily skincare routine. Reveal clearer, healthier-looking skin with regular use. It's the perfect first step in your skincare routine to combat oiliness. Say goodbye to shine and hello to a matte finish. This face wash is your go-to solution for managing oily skin concerns. What we like? This cleanser is designed to tackle excess oil without harsh ingredients. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, making it a great choice for daily use. If you have oily or sensitive skin and want a thorough yet mild cleanse, this is the one for you. What people say? This is a great sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. Number 4. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. Introducing our revolutionary face towels, designed for ultimate gentleness on your skin. Experience a new level of clean with every use. Crafted with 100% USDA bio-based materials, these towels are as kind to the planet as they are to your skin. Feel good about your skincare choices. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, they are even accepted by the Eczema Association. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to comfort. Effortlessly remove makeup and impurities with these ultra-soft, dry wipes. They make your daily skincare routine simpler and more effective. Enjoy the luxurious feel of ultra-soft fabric that's also conveniently disposable. Perfect for on-the-go or at-home use. Each pack contains 50 count of these essential skincare tools. Keep your skin clean and refreshed with this convenient supply. What we like? These towels offer a hygienic and gentle cleansing experience. They are recognized for their suitability for sensitive skin conditions. If you prioritize cleanliness, have eczema, or prefer a disposable option for makeup removal, these are an excellent choice. What people say? The product is very effective for sensitive skin. It provides excellent sun protection without leaving a white cast. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 3. EltaMD UV Clear Face Sunscreen SPF. Introducing EltaMD UV Clear, a sunscreen designed for your daily protection. It's oil-free and recommended by dermatologists. This formula features zinc oxide for gentle yet effective broad-spectrum protection. It helps shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Enjoy a lightweight, oil-free experience that won't clog pores. It's perfect for those prone to acne or seeking a matte finish. Trust in a product that dermatologists frequently recommend. It's a reliable choice for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Apply this sunscreen daily to protect your face from sun damage. Feel confident knowing your skin is well cared for. Make it a part of your routine for consistent sun defense. This essential product helps keep your skin looking its best. What we like? This sunscreen provides essential daily protection with a formula that won't clog pores. It's a top pick from dermatologists for good reason. If you're looking for a lightweight, effective sunscreen that calms the skin and protects against sun damage, this is your go-to. What people say? The product is very effective in treating acne and reducing redness. It has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. The packaging is convenient and hygienic, with a pump dispenser that ensures accurate dosage. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser. Introducing our powerful acne face wash, formulated to combat breakouts. It effectively clears existing acne and helps prevent future blemishes. With 2% salicylic acid, this cleanser penetrates deep into pores. It works to remove impurities and reduce the appearance of acne. This formula is enhanced with LHA and glycerin. They work together to gently exfoliate and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. Tired of oily skin? This oil-free cleanser is designed to target and reduce excess oil. It leaves your complexion looking matte and balanced. Experience a noticeable difference with consistent use. Achieve clearer, smoother skin that feels revitalized and free from breakouts. Specifically developed for those struggling with acne. This cleanser is your daily partner in achieving a healthier-looking complexion. What we like? This medicated cleanser is formulated to actively fight acne breakouts. Its powerful ingredients work to clear pores and reduce oiliness. If you struggle with persistent acne and oily skin, this cleanser will help you achieve clearer, smoother skin. What people say. I have sensitive skin and this product is gentle and effective. It helps to reduce redness and inflammation. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Number 1. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Experience the ultimate hydration with our revolutionary serum. It's designed to give your skin a plump, dewy appearance. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum deeply moisturizes your skin. Achieve a radiant complexion that looks and feels refreshed. Harness the benefits of niacinamide for visibly smoother and brighter skin. It helps to refine pores and improve skin texture. Use it as a primer to create a smooth canvas for makeup. It helps your foundation glide on effortlessly for a flawless finish. Get an instant luminous glow with this multitasking serum. It doubles as a liquid highlighter for a natural, lit-from-within radiance. Embrace the essence of Korean beauty with this innovative formula. It delivers powerful skincare benefits for a healthy, glowing complexion. What we like? This serum delivers intense hydration and a radiant glow. It can double as a makeup primer for a smooth canvas. If you desire a dewy complexion and want to enhance your skin's natural radiance while prepping it for makeup, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. The formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.